my name is Leila. I'm from Jeddah, and I'm the granddaughter of Diriyah. He is a painter, sculptor, and musician, and mainly that's where I got my creative side. Baldhead World in general, we are heavily inspired by the explosive era of the 60s and 70s, full of color, full of life, very political, but very meaningful to me in terms of aesthetic and music and just the vibes in general. I'll talk about one of the pieces that I have in the store. It's the Biennale tote bag. You can clearly see the rainbow, the sun, the sandy mountain, and it's all inspired by our environment, which is obviously Saudi. The beautiful green, perfect polished, clean leaves are after the rain, washed everything. And I was inspired obviously by the theme, after the rain. In Baldhead anyway, we have a big focus on natural elements. So this wasn't really like, it was very close to us. The theme is very close to us. So it wasn't very difficult to really create this beautiful illustration. And still we're true to our identity in terms of the 60s, 70s vintage vibe. Words cannot describe my emotions while I'm walking through the design store. It's beautiful. The selections are amazing and they're all Arabs, and I feel so proud that finally we have a platform that we can showcase like how talented Arabs are. It's just crazy. I'm in awe.